Have you tried online marketing campaigns and had some degree of success? If your answer is yes, you're probably looking at one of these two things. You want to go and take this to the next level. You're not sure what the next level is. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. You are one of the two groups. Perhaps by the time you realize that your return of investment was negative, you had spent too much money and now you need to reinvest yet in another campaign that has to hit all the targets you missed. Reduce your advertising efforts, their budgets, but need to achieve even large results to make up for the missed targets. You need to start the cycle of generating sales, saving, and then investing in marketing all over again. Instances like this make it clear why it's important to set realistic expectations for every segment of your marketing. And monitor. The first step is to make sure you know where to begin. Qualify your success and pinpoint where it came from by monitoring your actions and their results. Without monitoring, you will not know how well your marketing is doing. Whether you outsource some of the work with any agency you decide to work with, or even if you use an in-house team, make sure you monitor the results weekly. Many companies go wrong because they do not monitor often. With online marketing, how often you monitor and make changes depends on which marketing tool you're looking at. If you're using online ads, you should be checking daily. If you're using social media organic posts, you should look at them weekly. And if you're using SEO and blogging, you should check monthly. Always remember that data is useless unless you use it to fine-tune your results. Immediately stop all those that are not working. You need to reserve your capital for what works. Focus on investing and improving what has seen some results already. Always focus on amplifying, improving, and multiplying those strategies that work for you so you can grow the benefits. Your marketing should be your money machine. With online marketing, it's easy when you monitor and focus on what generates cash in your business. So you focus on the right stuff, your rewards will get bigger and bigger. Your business grows, and as the business owner, you can enjoy a better lifestyle. Online marketing is key to this cycle. It provides strategies and techniques that are easier to monitor and scale. Gone are the days when you spent thousands on billboards ads and never knew how many leads you got from it. Online marketing can measure everything, so you can know exactly where your income came from and focus on that. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at SEO content strategy, increasing traffic up to 3 times. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.